Alright, so in this video I want to help you guys make the loop for your keychain using SOLIDWORKS. To start off with, we're going to open your favorite part. Um, I really like, so I just went File, Open. Let's go this part right here. It doesn't matter what part. Alright, so here I have this part, and now as far as a keychain, we have two options. We can do kind of an exterior loop somewhere where it loops outside, or my preferred alternative is to kind of do an interior cut. The interior cuts are advantageous because they print better, they don't require supports, they also use less material, and they're stronger. So it's kind of a win-win-win. Biggest decision is just where do I want to put my interior loop. You guys can put it wherever. For this one, I think I want to put my interior loop right here. All right, so to start off with this, I want to build a sketch. Everything we do here is sketch first, and then some sort of extrusion or add or remove material. To start off with, let's put a sketch up here. I'm going to select this surface. Let's throw a circle up here. I want to get a better look at it. So remember, you can just down press on the wheel on the mouse here and rotate it. I want to get a nice circle right there. And now I'm going to dimension it here in a second, so it doesn't really matter if it's exactly right now. I'm going to go up to Smart Dimension. Let's make sure this thing is centered. To center, I'm going to select center and the edge here, and I want it right in the middle. So yeah, I can calculate 0.75 divided by 2, or the calculator or the computer anyways will do it for us. So I'm going to say 0.75 divided by 2, and there it puts it perfectly in the center. And now I can choose how far in this way I want it. Let's choose, so let's select here to the center, and let's say I want that. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'm going to go a little bit further. Again, I'm actually going to have it in center of 2, so I'm going to go 0.75 divided by 2. Now it's centered that way. So there's kind of a look at it. And now I can either have my loop go kind of out this way, or I can have the loop come out this way. I'm going to come in this way. All right, so to do that, we go up to Features here. From Features, so far in the project, you've been using this Extrude Boss. These things add material here. Whereas you have the similar operation over here for these cut material. These take stuff away. But we want to do a revolve cut. So I'm going to select revolve cut. First thing it wants me to tell us is axis of revolution. What do I want to revolve around? So I'm going to select this line right here. This is what I want it to revolve around. And now look, it gives us that kind of preview of what this cut is going to look like. And I think that looks great. So I'm going to accept that. I'm going to hit yes. Okay. Fantastic. I'm feeling pretty good about how that turned out. Now let's say you didn't love it and you wanted to edit that in some way. You can come over here, click these little drop down menus, and I could potentially right click here and say edit sketch. Maybe I want to change it slightly. Maybe I'm not happy with the diameter of that circle. I'm going to click Smart Dimension, and I'm going to click right here on the edge of the circle and adjust its diameter. Right now it's that. Let's say I want it a little bit thicker. Maybe I want it 0.3. 0.3, hit enter or the checkbox. And now it's updated that. That looks fine, so I'm going to hit this green checkbox. That looks great. Now I'm going to go up here and say I'm done with my sketch. So exit sketch. And now you notice it updated the cut right there for us. So everything right there looks great. Let me zoom out slightly and kind of show you guys what that is. Okay, so if you're feeling great with that, now we have to convert it to a different file type. The file type that the printers read is called an STL file. So I'm going to go up here. Actually, first I'm just going to save it normally. So I'm going to hit Control S, or you can go up and hit File, Save. Either's fine. But now that that's saved, now I'm going to save it as this other file type. So I'm going to go Save As. Now in here, this is where we change our file type. We need to select STL. And since this is my STL file, I'm going to change my file name. I'm going to say print in caps lock. So when I'm printing, I know that's the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to hit save. That error is just fine. Now you're ready to print